4 amazing beverages to help heal damaged nerves. Nerve damage occurs when nerves are injured, leading to disrupted signals between your body and brain. This can happen due to various reasons like injuries, diabetes, infections, or even prolonged pressure on a nerve. If you have nerve pain, tingling, numbness, or even muscle weakness, you know just how difficult nerve damage can be. The good news is that while medical treatment is critical, there are natural ways to support your body healing processes. In today's video, we are going to talk about 4 incredible drinks that can help repair nerve damage and improve neural health in general. If you want to take proactive measures to maintain the optimal health of your nervous system or are looking to alleviate the symptoms of nerve damage, this video is for you. Settle in and enjoy the essential nutrients, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that these beverages contain. Verify that you have subscribed to the channel, then click the notification ring to ensure you don't miss our most recent health advices. Let's explore these 4 potent beverages that have the potential to significantly impact your nerve health. 1. Green tea. Adjusted to the best green tea is well known for having a high concentration of antioxidant, especially kakin, which are important in lowering oxidative stress and inflammation. 2 major causes that lead to nerve damage. Strong antioxidants include in green tea assist in shielding nerve cells from free radical damage, which can result in neurodegenerative illness. Furthermore, it has been demonstrated that early green tea improves blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain and nerve system. Enhanced circulation aid in the damaged nerves, regeneration and healing. Green tea can help maintain general nerve health and may eventually aid in the restoration of nerve function when consumed on a regular basis. Roughly 2 to 3 cups per day. Because of its neuroprotective qualities, green tea is a great option for people who want to naturally boost their nervous system. 2. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk is a potent beverage that capitalizes on the anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective qualities of curcumin. The active ingredient in turmeric, the compound's capacity to lower oxidative stress and inflammation, has been thoroughly researched. These 2 processes are essential in preventing and treating nerve damage. Curcumin facilitates the repair of injured nerve and reduces pain. A soothing and nourishing way to include turmeric in your diet is to make golden milk, which is usually made with turmeric milk, plant-based black pepper, and other spices. The addition of black pepper is critical because it contains piperine, a substance that greatly improves the body absorption of curcumin. Milk is a tasty and aid-all medicine. It is also a powerful instrument for nerve healing and general well-being. It can have relaxing effects and improve nerve health, especially before bed. 3. Beetroot. Beetroot juice has a great high nitrate level. It is a great beverage for boosting nerve health. The body transforms nitrates and beetroot juice into the nitric oxide, which enhances blood flow and oxygen supply to tissues, including nerves. Improved blood circulation is essential for the regeneration and repair of damaged nerves, since it makes sure that these regions get the nutrition and oxygen they need to mend. Additionally, beetroot juice has a lot of antioxidants including pellets, which shields nerve cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. because freshly pressed juice retains the highest level of nutrients. It is recommended to consume it for optimal results. Including beetroot juice in your daily routine can be a natural and effective way to promote nerve repair and maintain overall nerve health. Beetroot juice. Anti-inflammatory properties also help to reduce nerve pain and discomfort. 4. Blueberries. Blueberry smoothies are high in antioxidant and rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with potent neuroprotective qualities. A blueberry smoothie is a tasty and effective beverage for supporting nerve health. In addition to their antioxidant qualities, blueberries can help preserve nerve function and increase the repair of damaged nerve by lowering oxidative stress and inflammation are major cause of nerve damage and neurodegenerative disease. These antioxidants help treat nerve cells from these two threats. In order to maximize the benefits, blueberries also enhance brain health and cognitive performance, boosting the nervous system even more combined. Blueberries include additional nutrients-dense components including chia seed, spinach, almond milk, and other minerals and vitamins that are vital for nerve regularly, including in a blueberry smoothie, can be a delightful and efficient method to hydrate your nerve and aid in their healing. If you thought this information was helpful, please like the video and tell others about the video and watch our channel for further health-related guidance and ideas.